Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change case in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change case in this document. At first, I have to select some text. Then go to type option. Now you can see here are change case option. Now you can see here are uppercase, lowercase, title case or sentence case. Now I choose this title case. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I change case in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.